The arrival of the boat over the weekend came as a relief for many on the island, but more so for importers who have shown concerns over shipping delays, changes to cut-off dates and freight prices charged. In a meeting last week, these concerns were raised with the Premier and Reef Shipping General Manager present. The Chamber of Commerce is happy, however, that the shipping service has acknowledged their concerns by sending their senior manager from the shipping line. We spoke with Reef Shipping Manager Jason Ward before he departed the island last week.
I totally admit that the service hasn't been as good as it should be, but with these changes that we're going through now and having talked to the importers all week, we want to offer a better service and get back on track the way that it was running previously and offer these guys a decent shipping service. I mean, I don't want to be coming back up here and not seeing things on the shelves. We want all you guys to have the products available when you need it. So we're very keen on improving the service and getting it back the way it was. Well, we've actually had quite a bit of input from the importers on the island, and what we're looking at doing this time is having the ship, instead of being the Cook Islands first and then coming to Niue, which was causing a few delays due to such a long transit, we're actually on the new vessel, we're going to be having the cargo come Auckland, then Tonga, and then direct to Niue. So we'll only have a 7-day transit compared to probably 2 weeks, so it'll be a lot better service for the importers and a lot less likelihood of delays because of the shorter sea transits and also not having to do that long trek up to the Cook Islands. So it should be a vastly improved service.
At the height of frustrations, there was also talk from businesses on the possibility of looking elsewhere to other shipping service providers. But after discussions and assurances from Reef Shipping, the Chamber remains optimistic.
I'm optimistic, so I give him the benefit of the doubt. He gave everybody his email address and phone number, so we'll be on top of it. Some people want to explore the possibility of transshipment from Samoa or from Tonga, and we're going to get prices for those. The current agreement is till January 2012, so we've got another year and a half to explore different possibilities. But I believe if they come up with a good price and with a good service, people won't be, unhappy and try to look for other venues. But it's good that they know that we have the option, so they'll stay on their toes and make sure that we are happy.
These proposed changes will be implemented with the next boat arriving in June.